You guys, after really looking at it, I think you all are absolutely right. This is one thing that I think that they could have changed on the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick after bricks that really could have made these, no doubt, way better than the original. I wish this is something that they would have done. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead, let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. I like switch. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with raw, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell that we get all the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at therealhegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfectbrimz, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. Real quick, you guys, want to give you guys a quick rundown of the clothing and how I feel it fits, because it seems like every single thing fits a little bit differently from last year to this year. Right now, of course, as you guys can see, I got the crew neck on. This is a size large. I normally wear a large in hoodies and crew necks and everything. I really could have gotten away with a medium. This crew neck fits rather large. Now, the pants, instead of like how last year they fit a little big, this year they fit a little on the smaller side, or a little, actually really kind of probably more true to size. So I got a medium this year, and I should have got a large instead of getting a large last year when I should have got a medium last year. The short, they actually do fit true to size. The large fits pretty good on me. Actually, it is a little bit loose, but not too bad. But still, I think a lot of this, and the t-shirt is kind of like a little cropped. It's not like a major crop tee, but it is a little cropped. Probably the large fits really well, but if I would have went with the extra large, it would have made it a little bit longer, but it could have been a little bit bigger in the sleeves. So I probably got away with the large really well. And again, it is something that I thought was really weird when I put the pants on, because I was like, man, last year, like, it really was a big deal. Like, I had a large, I had to keep pulling my pants up even after adjusting and tying everything. Like, it just literally would not stay up. It would not stay on my waist, so I really had to just keep pulling up. So yeah, I think it is a little different. Now, again, maybe after I wash the large in the crew neck, maybe it'll shrink up a little bit, but definitely probably going to be going for a medium for sure on the drop day, because I really like this crew neck, because again, it's really cool how, of course, they fitted it out with all the merch is crazy with the jacket and everything, the jersey. All of it is a dope addition to the shoes. You guys, today's video, what we are talking about, of course, is one thing a lot of you guys have brought up and continuously brought up. And after really looking at it and looking at the brick by bricks and of course the brick after bricks, you guys really may have been onto something with this. One thing that you guys, and I'll pull out the brick by brick really quick to show you guys what a lot of you guys have been saying, is a lot of you guys said they missed here. They missed where you have, of course, kind of like that texture, that brick texture right here on the toe box, and saying that that is a place where they could have done just a little bit better. And in my opinion, because again, once you look at the brick after bricks, I've did the on feet and been wearing these actually a little bit. Of course, it's just all leather. I think actually that would have been really cool. Now, again, I think the muted kind of gray and everything is really cool as well. Nice little touch. But I honestly think after really looking at it, like, it would have been cool. Yes, you have amazing leather right here on the toe box and everything. Like, I've been wearing these and haven't even really creased that much. So really cool there. But I will say, if they would have added it didn't even have to be red or anything. It could have just been quite literally just that little bit of texture right here on that toe box. I think that, honestly, I think I'm with you guys on that. I mean, just look at it and compare it. It would have really set this shoe off, because if you look at both, I mean, literally, like, that is a dope touch that they would have added on there. That's just my opinion. Again, it is not going to take away from this being a great sneaker, and because I mean, it is a great like little small detail that a lot of you guys picked up on super quick. And again, I get like they wanted to do all leather and everything, but in my opinion, this would have set this shoe completely off. All the other small details they did were great. everything else fits with. Of course, like the 3M under the netting and everything. It's a dope, great shoe. I'll say that. It is a great shoe. But that little detail, adding that little bit of texture, would have gone a very, very, very long way, I feel like. And I think a lot of you guys would have enjoyed this shoe even more than you probably already will. Real quick, Nigel's raffle is live also. It is live, so go to his page. Of course, like, he'll probably have a direct link and everything on his page. It's live. I think you have till Thursday to put in again, so that is another chance you'll have. There's a bunch of raffles going on, bunch of raffles that are starting. So yes, we have major chances here to pick these up. I am looking forward to seeing what you guys do. This is definitely one that at the end of the day, I already know how it's going to probably go. These things are going to move. There's going to be a ridiculous amount of entries. So that's why, honestly, I do think this resale is going to end up going back up, because like you guys said, the brick by bricks, they actually were basically in the same area of resale as these are currently when they released last year. I have a thought that these ain't gonna do what those did, but I think these actually will end up continuing to kind of go up a little bit. I don't think it's going to be a $700, $800 shoe at all, but I think it will definitely be a little bit higher than what it is, because this shoe to me is a lot more wearable as well. This shoe to me is a lot more wearable than the brick by bricks. It's not a completely red shoe. Legit, it's basically a muted gray, a little bit of age on it, fire red for it. Like, that's kind of what it looks like to me. So in my opinion, you guys, I think this is going to do extremely well. They're saying there's going to be like 45,000 on the sneakers app, stuff like that. If that's the case, then great. If not, then, you know, hey, if there's more, we have more chances for retail W's. But I just honestly think 45,000 seems like a good solid number to have on there. So hopefully we do have a ton of retail W's this coming Friday. I want to see as many people get W's as I can. Again, I like seeing people get retail W's. This is going to be a whole lot of fun. I'm excited for you guys, because we all know that we would wear the mess out of this shoe, regardless of what anybody says, regardless, you know, trash, this and that, whatever. Everybody would take this pair for retail. I don't care what you say, because again, even if you don't want it, you can use it as trade bait to get something bigger that you wanted, because again, it's retail, so you will make money off of it. So I mean, anybody would take it. Anybody would take the retail W. Let's stop kind of playing like that. Let's stop capping. Like, we already know how it would go. But I am looking forward to seeing this. I think this was the one issue, or not even an issue, the one detail that really they could have changed, that would have just changed, I think, the whole narrative of this shoe. I really do. Like, all these details and stuff they did, I think this really would have just absolutely set it off. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is this something you guys think they should have done? Or if you guys think that this is just perfect how they did it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. And again, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.